Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hope everyone is doing good. Um, Hope you guys have been liking and subscribing to the channel for all this lovely information I've been passing through to everyone. Hope your relationships are going good, your marriages are blossoming the God way. Okay. Again, if you have any questions or you need counseling, reach out to us through our social media platforms. You could DM us and we will respond to you. Our numbers are always at the bottom description of every post. You can also contact us either through a call or WhatsApp message, or you can either send us an email also. Okay. So welcome to today's topic. Now today's topic is so it's like a continuation of every other thing we've been discussing, but now this time from a different perspective, right? So it's basically, are you emotionally available for a godly relationship? You see, this is something a lot of people, they don't ask themselves this thing, they just jump into stuff. So knowing why you're getting into a relationship is very key. So today's topic really is, are you emotionally available for a godly relationship? In no particular order. So let's do this. First is emotional availability check. Are you ready for healthy love or just craving companionship? Are you available for healthy love? Now, healthy love simply means that you see, people always say, oh, they're looking for Mr. Right or Miss Right. But are you the right person for the right person? So people don't do this analysis. People don't check themselves to know if they themselves are even right for the Mr. Right. You know how people say they want an emotionally available man or woman, but yet they themselves are not even emotionally available. You get me? So these are things that you need to check to know if you really are ready for a godly relationship. Emotionally available for a godly relationship. So first thing is, are you ready for healthy love or just craving companionship? If you are craving companionship, go and read your Bible. Study, sign up for a course and just read a course, gain knowledge in what you want to get into. Read books on relationship, read books on love, on marriages, Christian books that guard your heart, because as we all know, the institution of marriage was created by God. So the only person you can obviously go to for advice is God Himself, right? If you buy a TV, whatever brand of TV you buy, when it's faulty, you take it to that brand for them to fix it. You don't take it to a random person to just fix. You need to take it back to the source. Okay, so first thing is your emotional availability check. Are you ready for healthy love or just craving companionship? Second, can you love without fear or sabotage? Are you healed from your past hurts? Can you trust without overthinking everything? Now, a lot of people have gone into different types of relationships, so they've come out with certain mindsets, and because of that, they start to portray that in their new relationships. They start to portray that in their new relationship, and that's a problem. And that is a problem, which means you've not dealt with your past hurt. So you start to overthink every single situation. It's called PTSD. Whatever looks like, sounds like, or feels like, automatically your brain associates it to that specific thing. So if you have not healed from your past relationships, please don't get into another relationship, because you're going to end up hurting you and the other party. So don't do that. First, deal with your insecurities. deal with your past relationships and the way you deal with them. That's for another topic. I will speak on how you can deal with your past relationships and overcome your PTSD. But yeah, can you love without fear or sabotage? Another thing is, can you communicate truth without manipulation? You see, a lot of people always portray a version of the truth. And the reason why most people do that, you're subconscious. Yes, because you've been hurt before. So you try to manipulate things. Again, dealing with your past trauma is key if you really are ready to get into an emotional relationship, emotional, godly relationship, right? So the truth without manipulation, you speak the truth, not drop hints. You see, most people kind of, it's like you're setting up your partner to fail. Just drop the truth, speak the truth. Don't try to drop hints or give silent treatment. You express needs, not demands. A lot of people demand in a relationship, and when they don't get what they are demanding for, they turn to manipulation, which means you're not ready for a godly relationship, an emotional godly relationship, right? Because we strive for kingdom marriages for a godly purpose, to fulfill a godly purpose. All right. Another thing is, can you sacrifice without resentment? Um, you see, the truth is, there will come a time in your marriage or relationship, one sacrifices something for the other without resentment. Can you wholeheartedly do something without, resenting your partner? That means you're not self-absorbed. You understand what partnership is all about and responsibility. You can give and receive love maturely. Okay. Another thing is, you see, God prepares hearts before He releases relationship, which means don't pursue romance when you're still repairing identity. You don't know who you are because of the relationships that you have been through, the hurt you've gone through, and you have not dealt with that situation. So you don't even know who you are, what you want specifically. And that is a very dangerous thing when you get into a relationship, not having a clear cut definition of who you are, what you stand for, and what you want in that relationship. Okay, so again, if you have questions, if you have comments, please comment in this comment section. Please go ahead and comment in the comment section. If you have questions, anything, right? And you can reach us on all social media handles, even our emails. It's placed at the description. So go there, email us, or give us a call, or send us a WhatsApp message, or DM us on our social media platforms, and we will respond to you. Okay. I remain Andre, your certified relationship and marriage counselor, infidelity recovery specialist, and a well-being coach. Do take care, stay healthy, stay hydrated, because we're in the season where it's very, very hot. So always stay hydrated. Read a book or two on relationships. Okay. Again, you can have whatever type of relationship or marriage you want. You just need to put in the work. Okay. To have a good one. All right. Cheers.